So hello everybody, welcome again to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you the easiest way to draw Goku. So let's do it. Start with two lines crossing each other like this. Start by drawing his eyes with the help of these lines. Now to draw the other one, use some guidelines like this from the other one. So I have already drawn his two eyes, and to draw his eyeballs I am using the mid guideline, and two of them are so close to each other like you can see here. Make his eyelashes more darker like I am doing. Add highlights to his eyeballs. Draw his nose close to his eyes, almost at the same level like this. Draw his eyebrows just above his eyes like this. Start drawing his mouth just below his nose. After drawing his mouth, draw his teeth. Draw other features inside his mouth and add shadows. And also don't forget to add wrinkles close to his eyes because he is smiling right now. Now draw his chin just below his mouth. Erase all the guidelines and draw his chins and connect them like I am doing here. Start to draw his ears from the same level as his eyes, lower eyelashes. Do same for the other one also. Now add some wrinkles. In order to draw his hair, add some guidelines for them. Just see what I am doing here and repeat this process. Now draw some hair spikes around his face. You can also apply this hair drawing process for his Super Saiyan modes also. I'm going to skip this part because it's a very long process and I have only 5 minutes to complete this video, so let's do it. Now our Goku is almost ready, and now add some more details into it, like draw his neck, add his clothes like that, and add some more shadows darkening his hair and eyebrows, and after that your Goku is ready to amaze everyone. So that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you, then subscribe my channel, like this video, and I always make this how to draw type videos, so to keep supporting me, subscribe this channel please. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, sayonara.